apple. A for apple.
Red apple, green apple, sweet and sour apple.
B for bus. B for bus.
Door on the bus goes open and shut all through the town.
C for cat. C for cat. Meow meow.
He's a ginger, ginger, ginger cat.
Meow 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 meow. D for dog. D for dog.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name.
E for elephant. A for elephant.
हाथी हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया इधर आ इधर आ इधर आ
F for fish. F for fish.
Choo 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 choo.
G for grapes. G for grapes.
Purple, red or greenish yellow. Eat me and feel so good and mellow.
H for horse. H for horse.
मेरे घोड़े चल टिक 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 दुम हिला के चल टिक.
I for ice cream. I for ice cream.
Fresh fruit ice cream was a sweet treat.
J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite.
I want to fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite.
L for lion. L for lion.
Daddy finger, what's your name? One I am the king of the jungle.
M for monkey. M for monkey.
Baby monkey bananas, baby monkey bananas, baby monkey.
N for nuts. N for nuts.
Manners to care for you. I'm here to help, so don't you stress.
O for orange. O for
Phonic
orange.
slices bright and sweet, yummy snacks for kids to eat.
P for parrot. P for parrot.
उड़ता फल सब्जियां दाना खाता मिट्ठू मिट्ठू मैं करता फल.
Q for queen. Q for
Be
queen.
a queen to own box that I will print. Every soldier would then be at my command.
R for rat. R for rat.
शहर में आया है बड़ा नाम उसने कमाया है कई चूहों को खाया है बिल्लौटा शहर.
S for sheep. S for sheep.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
T for tomato. T for
बड़ी
tomato.
मजेदार वाह टमाटर बड़ी मजेदार एक दिन इसको चूहे ने खाया.
U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
Choo wants to play. Brain, brain, go away.
V for violin. V for violin.
Play my violin and sing. I love my violin.
W for watch. W for watch.
Mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2.
X for xylophone. X for xylophone.
is for xylophone. Let's learn the musical notes.
Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
And he